Your question is two circles with radius r centimeter. The center of each circle lies on the other circle circumference. Find in terms of r the exact area of shaded region. Now, understand this. What they have told? There are two circles whose radius is r. That means both the circles are equal. It contains the radius r. Next, what they have told? One circle's circumference is the center of other. There is a point which is the center of other. So that we have to understand. So that means if this is the red circle, its center is O. And black is another circle, its center is O dash. Now, where they are touching, that we will take it as A and B. So this we have taken as A, this we have taken as B. Now we have to find out the shaded region of this. How? So here what we will do, you can see here, these are the 2 points. And this A is here. If we join this, so this is nothing but your radius. This is the radius, center and red. If you see the red, so this is center and that is the radius. And if we join here, that is also a radius. That means this is also radius, this is also radius. So this point is your A now. So here comes O, here comes O dash. So if you see, this is nothing but a equilateral triangle. Now, here we will now construct it. Just I am rubbing the upper part of the shaded region to make you to understand. See this. This is your radius. This is again a radius. So this is your equilateral triangle. Now what we have to add? We have to add, see this, if you see this part. So this part is nothing but your sector. Now it forms a sector. That means we have to find out the sector area. So this forms a sector. You can see here. But if you see from here, this is another sector. This is another sector from here. But when we are finding out the area, in this triangle, we have counted the triangle twice. So therefore, we will subtract one triangle. So here what will happen? 2 sectors minus 1 triangle. 2 sector minus 1 triangle. That is in half portion. If you go in other, again 2 sector minus 1 triangle. So that means it will form 4 here. Instead of 2, it will form 4 here. 4 sector minus 2 triangle. So this will find out the area of the shaded region. So now, just we will put the formula. Here the sector formula is what? Theta r square by 2. Theta r square by 2 is the sector formula. And here comes 4. Minus 2 into triangle. This triangle is equilateral triangle. So what is the area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 r square. Root 3 by 4 r square. Now, so what is your theta? Angle. In equilateral triangle it is 60 degree. So 60 degree, how we are writing? In radians it is pi by 3. Now substitute the value here. So here it will come 4 into pi by 3 into 2 into r square minus 2 into root 3 by 4 r square. Now reduce them. 2, 1, 4 it will go in 2 times. 2, 1, 4 it will go in 2 times. So now if you see here, pi square is common. So here we will get 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. So this is the area of shaded region. So that is in unit square. Or if you don't want this common, you can write directly what is that? 2 pi r square by 3 minus root 3 by 2 r square. So this is your unit square. So any one type of answer you can write.